If the priest will lose his voice and he finished the wedding rite, Mark and Alma are already married. So you will be lucky. So we shall make it very, very fast. How do you like it?
In a normal course of
Normal course. Since you want it normal, I did know my homily. See, I'm just testing you, Mark and Alma, to see whether you are ready to get married. Father, we're so excited. Can you imagine it's already almost a year that you came to me?
You came to you September 1.
September 1, not only that, months before,
Oh, yeah.
I saw both of you holding hands. And finally, you came to me September, Father, we are getting married. And then, Father, can I sing also?